trail sort of came to an end, so I'm just bushwhacking along. Well, I mean, there's a trail here, but it's not like an established trail. Sort of just hopefully we'll come up to a main trail. Just getting bombing up this. I'm kind of hoping there's some nice fishing spots. If I get back into fishing, I can come out here and get the line in the water. I don't know if a lot of people will be willing to trudge through. It's not like hiking is hard, it's just, I don't know if many would be willing to do it. It'd be nice if I wasn't tripping on everything. Alright. Wow. You gotta be kidding me. Way out here. Frickin' trash. You kidding me? Thanks, scumbag. Alright, I think I'm gonna start working my way out of here. Ooh. Which means I'm gonna have to bushwhack if I want to do that. I think the most irritating thing though, every time I lean under something, my backpack catches on like a branch or twig or something. It's really annoying. Of course, it'd be just my luck that I could be the thickest part of the trail. It's alright. It's all part of the adventure, I guess. Hopefully the action cam isn't too shaky. You gotta be careful with stuff like this. If your leg gets between something, it's a good way to roll an ankle. Okay. Well, I see a white structure just through there, so I'm not worried at all about not being able to get out of here. Gotta find the path that's not. I mean, crossing through that is gonna be a hassle. Doable, but hassle. Could go this way and just try to make my way through there. I think it's the plan, so sweet. And I found the trail. Nice. That's a little easier going. I don't know how far. I don't have a plan for how far I'm gonna hike today. Just getting out. That's cool. So it's wedged between those two trees. The top is still green. It's gotta be a recent fall. Hello. Doesn't really look. Well, I guess it kind of looks recent. I don't know. What do you think? I'm gonna say at least maybe last year, maybe. Ooh. See this guy hanging here. Yeah, well, it's really in there. I was gonna pull it down for safety, but it's really in there. This is one of those, it's a state park, but I have pay camping here. I don't know if I'd want to pay to camp, but so it's 1.18 miles to the entrance, and then it's only 0.1 miles. Excuse me, back. First things first, though. Cans only. They have one for bottles. This is. I see bottles in there. So. Water's shut off for winter time. Bummer. Well, it's a good thing I have water on me. Oh well. Although on the plus side, if I drank a lot of water, that's less water I have to carry, so. Alright. Maybe I'll knock out the 2 miles. I'll go to the entrance and back, so it'll be about 2.5 miles, plus the 0.1 back to the parking lot. That sounds doable. I need the exercise, so you know, I'll sweat off breakfast. Of course, that'll just make me hungry, but it's all good.